summers, not only our skin but our hair suffers a lot. The direct harmful rays of the sun makes our hair dry, rough, frizzy and unmanageable. Hi guys, this is Tanu, and in this video I'll be talking about an amazing hair mask which will make your hair glossy, stronger and shinier. I'm talking about Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. Now this particular one contains argan oil, avocado oil, curd extracts and milk protein. Also, this does not contain any chemicals and is 100% natural. Apply this on your hair length and keep it for 15 minutes. After that, rinse it off with normal water. It repairs dry and damaged hair and is also suitable for colored and chemical treated hair. You can see before and after that my hair looks bouncy, shiny and frizz-free. I recommend to use this mask twice a week. This mask is available online on Nykaa, Amazon and Mamaearth.in website. However, if you purchase any of the Mamaearth products from Mamaearth.in websites, then you can get 20% off by using the coupon code TANU20. So guys, that's it for today's video, and now it's time for the giveaway as promised in the beginning of the video. So one of the lucky winners will get a chance to win Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. And to participate in the giveaway, you have to follow two simple rules. Number one, you have to follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box. Number two, you have to tell me in the comment box below that how many times did I say hair in this video. And yes, these are the two simple rules for the giveaway. I hope you all will participate in it. The winner will be announced either on my Insta stories or in my next YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please make sure to subscribe, like this video and comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, you all take care. Bye.